There is the moment of launch for a race and the moment of launch for an entire season. And this is the scene right now in Gainesville, Florida for the 2024 NHRA Amalie Oil Gator Nationals, the start of the NHRA Mission Foods Drag Racing Series era.
You can run for a long time. You can run for a long time. Sooner or later, God will cut you down.
Task is out of the groove. They both smoked the tires. Task is going to try to catch him. He may get there. He didn't. 10 light for Christian Quadra. Dallas wasn't bad at 0.22, but my goodness, that's at least a car length down there. 3,000 spread in the reaction time. It is a horse-powering contest down there. Who's got more? Smith does. Well, don't you know, the big boy is going to coast his way down the drag strip. Gage Herrera, 663.6, 204 miles an hour. That is 12 career victories. Erica Enders will drive to career victory number 48. And for the first time here in swampy old Florida, will hoist a Wally at the end of Gainesville Raceway. J.R. Todd's going to win this race out of nowhere, and he runs in the threes. Sean Langdon left him at the altar, and at the finish line stripe, it's Langdon, a double up for Coletta.
You can run for a long time.